With my Starlink mount, you will receive the mount itself, 1 or 2 L brackets, depending on your order, some plastic washers, a release stick, and some hardware, depending on the kind of mount that you selected. In order to mount it, you will also need a square and a 13mm wrench, or a drill with a 13mm socket, and you have some instructions here as well. So I'm going to demonstrate here the installation on an L-track bar. So these are the ones that you can find on Frontrunners Outfitters, for example. So in order to start, you will start by sliding 3 bolts. These are M8 by 25 that you can slide in the bar here, and we will mount the main mount. Because this is M8, I'm going to use that washer, which is completely flat, and insert it in here. And I will use a square to make sure the mount is square to the bar. And I'm going to attach that over here, and it's square, it's solid. From there, you can simply slide your Starlink onto the main mount, and you could hear the clicks there. And then we'll mount the extra securing L bracket. You can see there is a notch that will grab the side of the Starlink. Sorry, don't forget the washer here. And this one will be permanently fixed. So I'm going to use a nylock nut. And then we have the last one. Again, I'm going to use that washer. The other ones are, if you want to reduce to M6, this is M8, and without the washer, it's M10. And there is a cavity here, in case you ordered L-track. The washer that secures the M-track fitting will fit inside. So that's the reason for these. So here I'm going to use M8. I'm going to put that over here. And for this one, I'm going to use the thumb screw, which allows easy installation and removal. So here it is, solidly attached to the bar. So now if you want to remove your Starlink, you're gonna loosen this one, because the Starlink is gonna slide out this way. And from that side, you're gonna stick the release stick into the mount, so it pushes the prongs out, and then you can release the Starlink. So the stick goes in here and pushes down on those 2 prongs, and releasing the Starlink. So again, to install, just slide it in, make sure you hear the 2 clicks, and this one will provide additional support and make sure it doesn't slide out. So this is very sturdy, and you can do off-roading, you can do highway speed. It's very, very low profile, as you can see. Like, it's the minimum profile possible. If you have any question, put it in the comments below. As per the security sticker, this can be applied onto your antenna. Make sure the surface is properly clean, degreased. I usually use isopropyl alcohol, and you can stick it there. It will not block the signal, so don't worry about that. So you can put it there and maybe deter some thieves of taking your Starlink antenna away.